Permutations and combination part 2. Today we will discuss about introduce the factorial. Factorial means here n is positive integer. Then factorial, symbol of factorial, notation of factorial is hyphen. So it is a factorial of notation gurtu, symbol. So right, first you find the value of 1 factorial. First 0 factorial. First you take 1 factorial. Positive integer, n is positive integer. 1 factorial equal to 1. Okay. 2 factorial equals to 2 into 1. 2 factorial equals to 2 into 1, that is equals to 2. Multiples of natural numbers, that means 3 factorial. 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1. 3 into 2 into 1. So 3 2s are 6. Okay. 4 factorial. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 24. 5 factorial. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is equals to 120. Okay, dash on n ila find out chestundi. Okay, n factorial. What is the value of n factorial? N factorial means n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into dash so on up to 2 into 1 last కు 1 రావాలి natural number. So it is right as n into n minus 1 factorial right. n factorial రాయొచ్చు, n into n minus 1 factorial రాయొచ్చు కదా. n minus 1 factorial means n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 4 dash so on up to 1, that is equals to n factorial. Here 0 factorial is equals to 1. It is clearly known it. 0 factorial equal to 1. How it is possible? It is proved. అసలు యాక్చువల్గా ఇది 0 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ మీన్స్ 1. ఇది ఎలా వచ్చిందని తర్వాత ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను నేను ఫార్ములా బట్టి. 0 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1. 0 factorial equals to 1. So once again 1 factorial equal to 1. 2 factorial means 2 into 1. 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1. 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, 24. 5 factorial 120. 6 factorial 7 factorial up to n factorial, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into dash so on up to 1. Here 0 factorial is equals to 1. 0 factorial equals to 1. What is the fundamental principle? Fundamental principle means if a work, any work, if a work, any work, work W1, that work means W1. Okay, construct the building, that is one work. So building, standing the wall, some edo 1 by 1 steps. Here first you take any work W1 can be performed m different ways. ఒక పనిని m విధాలుగా చేయొచ్చు. And second work, any work, second work W2 can be performed by n different ways. then two works can be performed at a time, not at a time, one by one can be performed is m into n ways, m into n ways. Give an example. Give an example. ఇక్కడ here first from I am going to Nalgonda to Hyderabad. Hyderabad to Nalgonda, Nalgonda to Miryalguda. So I am going to from Hyderabad to Nalgonda via Nalgonda, Nalgonda to Miryalguda. Okay. From I am coming to the Hyderabad from a car or bus అనుకుందాం. బస్ మీద వస్తున్నాను ఒక వర్క్. ఫస్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ హైదరాబాద్ టు నల్గొండ ఐ కేమ్ ఫ్రమ్ హైదరాబాద్ టు నల్గొండ బై యూజింగ్ కార్ ఆర్ బస్ అనుకుందాం. బస్ మీద వచ్చినాను. ఫ్రమ్ నల్గొండ టు మిర్యాలగూడ ఇదొక వర్క్. ఓకే, నల్గొండ టు మిర్యాలగూడ బై కార్. ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు ద బై కార్ అంటే కార్ మీద వెళ్ళినా, అంతేనా? సో నెక్స్ట్ అదొక వే ఉంది, అదొక ప్రాసెస్. అంటే అక్కడి నుంచి బస్ మీద రావచ్చు, ఈ నుంచి కార్ మీద వెళ్ళొచ్చు. అక్కడి నుంచి కార్లో వచ్చి ఇక్కడి నుంచి బస్ మీద కూడా వెళ్ళొచ్చు. అక్కడి నుంచి ఏరోప్లేన్లో వచ్చి ఇక్కడి నుంచి బస్సుకి వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు. ఓకేనా? సో ఇక్కడ నీకు ఏమర్థమవుతుంది క్లియర్గా? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏరోప్లేన్ వర్క్, బస్ వర్క్, కారు, ఇది ఒక 3 ways అయినాయి. ఈ వర్క్ 3 ways అయినాయి. ఫ్రమ్ నల్గొండ టు మిర్యాలగూడ కారు, ఓకే, బస్సు, ఏరోప్లేన్, 3 ways అయినాయి. 3 3s are 9 ways, 9 different ways. It work can be done 9 ways. It work can be performed by m into n ways. Give an example. Another example. A man has, example, a man has 4 different trousers, T1, T2, T3, T4. Okay, trousers means points. Okay, and 3 different color shirts, S1, S2, S3. 4 trousers, 3 shirts. Then he can select a pair. Pair means jata. Pair means one trouser, one t-shirt, one shirt, one trouser, one shirt, that is equals to pair. One pair in 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12 ways. How it is possible? See here. So first trouser 1 ways, trouser 1, okay, one shirt S1, idoka pair, it is a pair. So T2 S1, second trouser, first set, okay, third trouser, first set, fourth trouser, first set. Okay, how many ways? It is a pairs. Okay, different pairs. So next second way, first trouser, second set S2, T2 S2, T3 S2, T4 S2. Understood? It is a pair. Next T1 S3, T2 S3, T3 S3, T4 S3. Okay, total how many ways? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3, 4 into 3 equals to 12 ways. 12 ways. It is called a fundamental principle. Fundamental, understood? Okay, once again, if a work W1 can be performed f different ways and second work W2 can be performed by n different ways, two works can be performed one by one is mn ways. For example, a man has 4 different color trousers and 3 different color shirts, S1, S2, S3. Okay, he can select a pair means a trouser and shirt. One trouser, one shirt. One shirt is 4 into 3, that is equals to 4 3s are 12 ways. Okay.